we'll guide you through how to use Git in Replit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Replit in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, go ahead and create a new REPL by clicking the Create button. Choose your preferred programming language and give your project a name. Now, to integrate Git, you need to connect your REPL with your GitHub account. In the REPL editor, look at the left sidebar and click on the version control icon, which looks like a forked tree. You will see an option to connect your GitHub account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to authorize Replit to access your GitHub account. Once connected, you can import a repository from GitHub by clicking Import from GitHub and selecting the desired repo. If you want to push changes from Replit to GitHub, make sure you've saved your changes in the REPL. Then go back to the version control panel, enter a commit message describing your changes, and hit the Commit and Push button. This will push your changes to the connected GitHub repository. You can also pull updates from GitHub by clicking the Pull button if there are new changes in the remote repository that you want to sync with your REPL. Remember to frequently commit and push your changes to keep your work backed up and in sync with GitHub. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.